Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we'll be working on Bosnport again. Today we'll be adding all the lighting for the town section of the layout. One thing which I would like to do is I'd want to replace these lights. Just move this building out of the way. There we go. Yeah, I want to replace these lights because I'm not all that happy with them. I think I could do better and I think I've got the solution, which is I'll be using these already pre-made lights, which are fairly long. We'll try and show you. Yeah, see, they're I'll just zoom out there. Yeah, you can see they're quite long, so I might be able to just build the wire holders for the trolleybus. Can't remember what they're called. Trolleybus wires. That's what I'm going with. So I've rebuilt them with plastic card or something like that, and just basically use that instead because I think it will look a lot better than using these. And these do work. These I'm not entirely sure with, and it's just that they look a bit naff really. So yeah, that's the plan for that. Inside all the buildings I do plan on adding lighting, but I'm thinking I'll simplify some of the insides because I don't really want all these things in here when I can just add one light and get everything all done. So that's the plan for that. I won't be lighting up the tower block. That I'll be doing off camera because that's going to be awkward, and I do have plans for this area separately. I may do it when I come to that bit as well. But yes, I do. I was thinking. I'm not entirely sure if I want to do the tracing paper behind the windows like I did with the tower block, for just to diffuse the light a little, but depends on how much I can be bothered to do all these windows. But I have got lots of wired LEDs to do. I have been doing the wiring for the other lights mostly. I still need to do the ones over here because I still need to fix this light. Turns out it was bust. So I'll be doing that off camera. But yeah, I don't mind this case. I'm just running around. But I have been sorting out the wires down here. So you can see they're all connected together. And yeah, all these. Oh, ow, my back. These lights all light up together, including this one with these ones, and these lights all light up together, but not these ones and those ones. Bit too much for the 9-volt battery, so they'll be powered separately anyway. So yeah, I forgot I added you over here. I need to add you to that one. That should be alright anyway. But yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, I'm going to get my drill out and start drilling a load more holes. Yeah, these are going to be a bit awkward because these wires are quite short. So yeah, I'll see what I can do. But oh well. Yeah, I'll bring you back when, well, there'll be a time lapse and then I'll bring you back when I'm done. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, that's all done now. I know it may not actually look all that much, but I have added all the lights. I'm being messaged as always while I'm recording. But yeah, I have added lights to all the buildings now. And I have also replaced these. Well, get one of the old ones wherever I put it. I'll sort out who's messaging me later. But yeah, I've replaced all the old ones because they look a bit naff. So I popped that there. And replaced them with these new ones. Which I think it looks rather nice actually. Hopefully they are the right height. But yeah, they should look a lot better. And yeah, I do need to do all the wiring just to prove I have done something inside the buildings. This is all what I've got to do off camera. So yeah, I do need to splice these all together carefully and then stick them to a power supply. I'll drill through here just so I can run these through just so they can all connect. But yeah, so it's all ready for wiring up. And I have also glued down the hotel over here. That's all glued down. This shops, that's all glued down. Yes, I did also glue down the houses at the back. The only thing which I haven't glued down is this set of shops, mainly just so I can gain access to well, the lights, just so I can run the cables around for the trolleybus, so I can do that, and also so I can sort out a few little gaps. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, just down at the bases of the shops there, there's a little bit of a gap. So what I'm going to do is get a bit of card with the brick paper printed on top, and then just shimmy that in just to help cover up them gaps, just so the light doesn't bleed through all that much. But yeah, I said I'm happy with it. I said I will wire up these. Well, I mean wire up the trolleybus and that lot. And I need to stick all the buildings back in where, not buildings, all the vehicles back where I left them. Now the only thing left to light on the layout is the tower block, but that's going to be a work on itself, and that'll be done in the background because yeah, that's going to be awkward to do. The next running session I won't show off doing all the lights because I want them all lit up, so that's probably going to be the next running session after that, as yeah, it's going to take me a little while just to do all these wires, and I don't want to disappoint anybody. So yeah, oh well. So I have got my batteries as I was testing them all, but the only thing that I can't test is these lights because they'll fire them, and then I have to grip these out, stick the new ones in, and all that for a lot. So yeah. But hopefully it will look rather nice when it's all done. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. I hope everyone has enjoyed it. And again, it's not all that much visual stuff apart from me messing about with wires and things and stuff like that. But hopefully in the end it will pay off and it will look rather nice. Anyway, I'm going to have a break and then I have to do order wires. So yeah, I'll see everyone next time. If you did like it, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And thank you again for watching, subscribing and everything else which everybody does, and I am very grateful for you, all of you, for joining me. Anyway, I'm gonna, like I said, have a break. So yeah, I'll see you again next time, and yeah, take care now. Bye bye.